What's up, guys? Hey, guys, doing today, guys? To me here and smash the like button, subscribe and subscribe today. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today you're both playing today. Hope you are feeling good over staying positive. Hope you're just getting that smile face. Hope you never ever taking it off. Hope you're doing beautiful and stunning whether you're coming. Hope you're just having an amazing Tuesday afternoon / evening. A real quick video for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me, Sean, why aren't you doing any more workout videos or talking about them? So, the reason why I haven't been making workout videos or been talking about them is because I've been so busy with homework and other stuff in my life. So this is the only time that I can actually sit down and talk about working out. For all those of you that are working out already or thinking about working out, or you're already working out and you're ready to build those gains, I have to warn you, working out is, I shouldn't say it's hard, because it's not really hard, but there's a couple things that you need to be not concerned about, but there's a couple things that you need to watch out for when you are working out. So first things first is that you need to make sure that you are not stressing yourself and you're not making the weights too heavy. So let's say I'm bench pressing 300 pounds, but I can only do 175. I'm not gonna go to 300 if I can only do 175. If I do 300 and I can only do 175, I'm gonna be straining my muscles and I'm not gonna get my gains. So currently right now I'm gaining. I started, when I first lifted, I started lifting I think it was like 125, and now I'm up to 175. So from 125 to 175, that's pretty good, honestly. For me, that's pretty good. Now, I know some other guys that I've talked to about weightlifting and stuff, they can bench press like 210, 220, 225 at the most. But honestly, I haven't been to the gym in like forever. I need to get back in the gym. I need to start working out again, because I miss working out. I've been mainly, like asking friends if they want to go to the gym and work out for a couple hours, because I really need to get back in the gym. I can feel it. And that's actually number 2. When you take off for like a month or a year and not lifting, you can feel like the weight. And what I mean by that is that, let's say you stick with it for, I don't know, a couple months. Then you take off a couple months. Your body is going to get used to of not going to the gym every day, and you're gonna start to lose those gains, and it's gonna be becoming to I can't speak. It's going to become fat instead of muscle. Now, my current weight right now is 135 currently, but it might have gone up because of my body weight and my muscle. Now, I was built muscular, and if you don't know what muscular is, it's pretty much you're all built with muscle. And I can show you a before picture of before I started to go to before I started working out and going to the gym and everything. I was fat. Like I was fat, but now since I started going to the gym and I started eating healthy, and I feel pretty good. So that is the third thing, right? Third? Yeah, third. Third thing is eating healthy. Now, if you're eating junk food and you go to like Red Robin or Burger King or McDonald's and you get like a Big Mac from McDonald's and fries and a milkshake, you're gonna, if you keep doing the same routine over and over again and getting all the junk food and stuff like that and not watching your calories and stuff like that, you're not going to make the gains that you want to produce. So for me, I always try to watch my gains and what I eat. Now for me, I always try to stay in between for weight wise. I always try to go to 125 to 135. So I'm currently at my max right now. I'm currently at 135 for my whole weight. I might change that a little bit, but me personally, I like to challenge myself. So when I go in the gym, I try to think of exercises and that I can do to build muscle, besides just, you know, going on just doing legs every single day, doing legs. And that's another thing that I want to talk about. You need to change your exercises. So let's say one day you do biceps. The next week, how I want to do this. Let's say the first week you do bis. Then the next week you do tris. So always try to mix up your exercise, because if you're doing tris and then the next week you're doing tris again, your body's gonna think, oh well, then the next week it's gonna be tris again. So when I always go to the gym, I always try to mix up my exercises. So let's say I do tris one day, then the next week I do bis, then the next week I do legs, then the next week I do shoulders or back or core or whatever, my abs or whatever, just so I'm not doing the same thing over and over again. Because if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, your body's gonna get used to it, and your body's gonna be like, oh well, so and so is gonna do legs today because that's what he always does. Oh, today he's gonna do tris. Oh, this day he's gonna do bis and whatever. So that's what I always do. I always try to mix up my exercises so I feel good and my body feels good. Just so I'm not straining myself and stuff like that. But I think the most important thing is when you're lifting weights is to be focused and not worry about what everybody else is doing. And another thing is that don't strain yourself when you're doing when you're lifting weights, because for me, I haven't tried straining myself yet, and I'm not going to, because that's just bad. But I think I strained myself one time. I think I was doing like, I don't know, like 275, and I like strained myself. But I always try to, you know, increase every time I go to the gym, because let's say I'm 175, and I'll go to the gym the next time and I'll do 175. The next day I'll do 175. The next day I'll do 175. If you keep doing the same pounds, I guess you could say, pounds, every single time, your body is not going to react in the way that you want to. So I always try to increase every single time I go to the gym. So this week I'm 175. Next week I'm gonna do, I don't know, next time I go to the gym I'll probably do 180, just to see how it is and everything. But yeah, I know this video is kind of like, I'm kind of like going in all different directions and talking about different stuff, but I always try to, when I'm talking about a specific subject like weight training and powerlifting and all that other type of stuff, I always try to mix it up, like, just so it's the whole video's not just talking about one topic. I might talk about one topic and then go to another topic, because if I stick on one topic and talk about one topic I can't stop, specifically, there we go. If I talk about one specific topic, then I'm just gonna go on and on and on. Whereas if I talk about one topic and then I go to another topic that's in the same group as that one topic, then I can just spread my ideas out on the certain topic. So that's what I try to do. Like this video, like I talked about, like not to strain your muscles, nutrients, calories, and all that type of stuff. So if this video seems like messed up and like you don't even know what I'm talking about, I apologize. That is my fault. But if you do understand weightlifting and all of that type of stuff, I hope you guys enjoy this type of stuff. If you lift, and if anybody wants to go to the gym, hit your boy up, because your boy wants to get back in the gym and just lift. Because I haven't done that for like ever, honestly. I can't tell you the last time I've been in the gym, honestly. But it's just, so if you're in the area and you want to hit your boy up, do it. We'll set up a time and we'll go. So like, yeah. I feel like I'm making a commercial about taking me to weightlifting. Anyways, let's get on topic. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. That's all I have for today. I know the video was kind of like everywhere, because I was talking about specific topics and all that other type of stuff about weightlifting. If you guys if you want me to go more in depth on one specific topic, whether it's how to grow your tris or your bis, or how do I stay active, or how do I keep my abs the way they are, and how do I how do I get a six-pack, or how do I grow my buys or my tries or my shoulders or whatever it might be. If you guys want me to go into full depth about a certain topic, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to do it on that topic. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much again for all the love and support. And yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget, you are beautiful, yes, one of a kind. Always keep that big smile on your face. Never take it off. Always turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. See you guys next time. Stay positive. You're awesome. Bye, guys. Peace. Yeet. See my before I forget, if you're chilling, to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button on the screen on my face. You can click my face, slap subscribe, and have subscribe. So click that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And then, as always, if you missed yesterday's video, down below the screen as well, so go check that out as well. My face is usually up in this corner. Yesterday's video is usually up in this corner or down in this corner, depending on where YouTube makes me put it, or where I put it. Down below the video is a bell. Tap that love button, you miss an upload, and hopefully you get my post notifications. And then, as always, down below is a comment section. Go down there, leave a nice comment, because I always love reading you guys' comments. You guys are just so amazing, because I always love reading you guys' comments, because they made me feel good. They made me feel good. And also, if you haven't followed me on my social media, that will be all in the description below, so go check that out as well. And yeah, so see you guys in tomorrow's video. Just too sweet, baby. See y'all. Peace out. Hey, see y'all. Love y'all. Peace.